Hi guys, this is Jazz. I just wanted to talk about a few of the calls that I made in our Facebook group. That is the paid Facebook group where I posted about 3 to 4 calls, actually more than that, about 5 calls. Luckily, they all worked today. They were all phenomenal and worked really nice. So I just wanted to talk about them and give you guys some idea about this is exactly the type of things that we do. We put out alerts and depending on everybody's personality, you can take the trade or you cannot take the trade, but they're solely my opinion and basically based on educational technical analysis. So let's talk about a few of them. UGAZ was called. Have this here. New alert issue. This is how I type out any alerts that I see before the move happens. So new alert issues UGAZ. This was 2 hours ago, today earlier, and said possible bounce between 367 to 398, and this was a gap down in the pre-market. So if we look at this, if we go back and UGAZ. So if you look at the low at 410, it never actually went to that range. But what really happened was I called another trade on it, which let me go in there. Not this one, not this one, UGAZ. So long above 421 with the stop below 409. So if you look at this, 421 is right around here and stop was right underneath this. So as a day trader, you try to tackle whatever opportunity that you get. And it could have gone the other way too, but the risk was small. But this was a huge gap that it created based on my technical analysis. Like I said, I base the technical analysis, the daily chart, the weekly chart, all around, and then try to make a call. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So in this case, 421, and I was guiding the group as the stock was going up, as you could see. Brief description in there. Target 435 first, and if you read over it, and all the way down 443, 440, 58, 467. These were the targets given, and a like I said, every trade is different. You don't have to have those targets. You can get filled, 421, 435, you could be all out. You could be letting it run all the way up until, the gap closes, or the way your personality works of trading. My whole goal is to when it gives me, uh, basically, if I'm putting a stop 421, 409, if it gives me that amount of a profit, 421 409 or whatever that is, right, about 13 some cents, if it gives me 13 cents of 435 around there, I'll call it a successful trade. For bigger, since this is a $4 stock, I want to take profits fast. If it was a $70 some stock, I would give a target of at least 30 cents, and all my high stock price are given targets of 30 cents just because that's the way I like it. And so he gave all those targets. So that was one of the trades that was called right into the suggested right into the group. Depending on the group members, you took it or not took it, that's totally fine. But just wanted to share this with people out there. And another trade that was called GG was another trade that was called GG. This was a beautiful trade. So it was called above 2349 with a stop right around here, and it went up, gave a initial 30 cents right there, and went up again and gave another nice move up there, but actually came down here. So if you didn't take profits here all the way, the move from here to here, you might have been a break even on this, but initial stop is still holding. So that's what I go back and rely on if my stop is still holding and if the trade was successful at the end of the day. So that was that. UWTI was another beautiful trade. I believe that was called let me see, UW 318, 7 cents of a stop only, 318, right above here, ripped right away, ripped after these are 3-minute candles. So it triggered and ripped, and this candle was a huge move on here. And this one also was target given was right there. If you see, shoot for 333, and 333 was target was given and came back down again. You could take it again, but the stop held. That's the whole point of it. The stop held. And then the beautiful call was on GPro. GPro called around right here, the short. Let me actually go in there. Uh, ERX was another one. GPro 4670, stop above 4777. So 4670 was right around here. Went down and never looked up again, and all the way down to 4536. Easy $1.30 on it, and stop never got hit. up until right there. So even if stop got a hit, you should broke even or definitely took profits if it's giving you $1.30 of a change. And this is day trading, guys. Day trading, you gotta take profits. If you don't take profits, at least move your stop to the break even. That's the way. Again, this is a $47 stock, so I would have been started taking profits at 30 cents, 60 cents, a dollar, and then maybe let the rest of it run with a break even stop. So that was that. And there was another call, ERX long above 49.28. ERX, which this is still beautifully working. In fact, I just alerted on this one again. um, so 49.28, let me go back. 49.28 was right around here, long above, completely ripped right away. And if you can see, the move on this one was from 49.29 to 50.64. Again, whole dollar, more than a dollar of a range. And but if you get the climactic move like this, you want to be pulling out. You don't want to be waiting for the price to come down. As it moves up, keep moving your stop, because we're day traders. Day traders, we lock in profits as fast as possible, especially when it's giving you more than a dollar of a move on here. So right here, a shy of 18 cents, and after that, it actually met the target. Target was given. Actually, you can't see it in here, but the target was given 50.18 was the target given. So that worked out pretty good too. So this is exactly all we do in this Facebook paid group. Only 777, and believe me or not, this is I'm providing this is extra. I mean, the alerts and all that, they're part of it, but I've been, totally outdoing it by providing, more than 6 to 10 alerts. So if you look at the subscription of the whole 777 deal, in fact, let me actually show you. So right here, so basically what you do is go to the trendtrader4you.com, and let me actually go there, trendtrader4you.com, and it'll take you to my website, which is kind of slow right now. So then you click on the prices and plans, and this is what you will see in here: recurring educational services and learning community. So this group is not so much more about calling trades out. This is all about technical analysis. Learn the right way to trade, learn how to spot the support and resistance, learn how to spot spot trends, candlesticks, and so much more that we cover in this group. It's only been little bit, and I've added for this month, I've added so much material into the group, and it's only 16th today. So, and if you go on here and click, it'll take you to the PDF file. This is where and how you decide if this is the right group for you. This is exactly what I'll cover in a weekly analysis, educational material for beginner to intermediate, even advanced people, scanning stocks, provide technical analysis on the charts that I post, explanation of the trades, and sector analysis, which is big. We can also talk about your future mutual fund or 401, 403b kind of stuff. Biggest perk is alerts. That exactly what you saw in there. Those were the stocks that all you have to take a few trades of those, and if you have winners, it'll pay for the whole yearly service. And then you have sometimes I'll do a Q&A, which haven't done it, but if we need to, we can always do. So this it is for 777, or you can sign up for the whole year for a discounted price. So this is the stuff I won't cover. So you have to know these are the stuff, these are the material that I will not cover. I'm not gonna call out as a trading chat room, because that's just something I'm working on in the future, and no such thing as a live broadcast screen, and a couple others that I'm not gonna do one-on-one kind of thing. But for this price, all it costs you is literally 2 Starbucks coffees per month. And if you can't afford that, I totally agree. But if you can, you can't go wrong with this group. There's a tremendous amount of educational stuff that is being discussed here, and if you really can't afford it, that's fine either. There's a free group also, a Trend Trader for You. If you look at it, it's called a Trend Trader for You Facebook group, and you can also sign up for that. If not, you can always email me, info@trendtrader4you.com, and I can answer all your questions. Take care, guys.